Welcome to Tim Clay's daffodil farm in Lincolnshire. This week we've got a lovely arrangement for you along with some of his very finest daffodils. Let's see what we've got. First up, we've got a bunch of these very special Great Sleep double daffodils grown here in this very field. Next up, one of my favourite foliages, greenbell. Some cream lisianthus, crisp white snapdragons, and some soft yellow blooms. Don't forget your flower care. Trim an inch off the end of all your stems. And use your flower food. Let's put it all together. Start with your blooms arranged evenly around the edge of your vase. And next up, fill the gaps with your lisianthus. Follow the shape round with your snapdragons a little more centrally. And finish with your one beefy stem of greenbell, slap bang in the middle. And as for your daffodils, pop them in a little jam jar or something similar on your kitchen window.